Now that we have saved this image as a Photoshop Cloud document, we can export it as a JPEG to share it with the world. Of course, you can upload a JPEG to social media, attach it in an email, post it on your website, or do pretty much anything else that you want with it. To export a Photoshop document as a JPEG, you will need to go into File, Export, Export As. The Export As window will come up. On the left-hand side of this dialog box, you'll see the file format, the image size, and the document size. On the right-hand side, you can adjust these settings. For format, I have JPEG, but you may have something else. But you can click on the drop-down and select JPEG. You can adjust the quality of the JPEG. The higher the quality, the larger the file size. Notice that as I reduce the quality, the file size reduces as well. This might be important to you if you're saving your file to use in a website where you want to keep the file size low. Also, when you reduce the file size, you might notice that the center image preview changes, showing you any compression or loss of detail. You will have to balance the quality and file size so that your image doesn't show any noticeable JPEG compression artifacts or loss of detail. In this case, I'll set the quality to 100%. At this point, you could resize your image if need be by entering a different pixel dimension in the width and height input boxes. Or you can click on the scale dropdown and reduce the size by a percentage. For example, 50%. Notice that the width and height values change according to the percentage that you set. I'll set it to 100%. In almost every case, if you're saving a JPEG, you want to set it to sRGB, which is the standard color mode for screen and the web. When you're done, you can click on Export. The export window will come up, and from here, you can name your file and set the save location in your computer. When you're ready to export, click on the Save button.